And if this one wasn't satisfied enough, guys, keep watching the video, and now let's start. Take one sausage, I'm using chicken sausage, and this one is the typical sausage that goes into the hot dog bun. Take one piece of sausage and start to build your corn dog. You need one skewers, one piece of sausage at the bottom, and a nice piece of mozzarella stick at the top. And guys, you're ready to go. The corn dog is ready. And this is how have to looks like. Beautiful, nice, and now put them on the side. When all the corn dogs are ready, we move on making the butter. So we are going to use 250 grams of all-purpose flour or plain flour. We have to sift it. This corn dog is not made with corn flour, so we have to sift it in order to have a beautiful and silky, smooth butter. Now we add 40 grams of sugar and salt. We need just a quarter teaspoon of salt. Guys, this recipe right now it looks like wow, there is lots of sugar in it. Trust me, you won't feel that sweetness at all. Nice quick stir, make sure all the ingredients are mixed well throughout the flour. At this stage we need one whole egg. I'm using a medium egg, but if you have a large egg it's gonna be fine. And last but not least, milk. I'm using 250 milliliters of milk. And guys, this is the last ingredients. Now take a whisk and mix all together until you get a really smooth and silky consistency, as in the video. In order to dip our corn dog, you have to transfer the mix into a very tall container. As you can see, I'm using a simple water glass. I wanna give a suggestion: if you have time, place the mix in the fridge to set completely for about 1 hour. Now is the time for breadcrumb. I'm using Panko. Panko is a Japanese breadcrumb which is made with a simple different type of bread, nothing else, but it's really flaky and gives the kind of crunchiness that is completely different compared to the regular breadcrumb that we find in Europe or in US. Sprinkle your breadcrumb all over the corn dog and make sure it is fully covered. After that, you are ready to fry it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 2 or 3 minutes, and make sure that the oil doesn't go below 180 degrees Celsius, otherwise it will take too long to fry it and the mozzarella cheese will be released into the oil and inside your corn dog will result empty. Wow guys, I think this is gonna be really crunchy. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, and I'll see you in the next one.